Hello folks, I'm doing my first unboxing ever here. This is for a digital wildlife camera with 16 megapixels and sensor. It does do night vision and obviously motion detection because it is for the outdoors. Got the user manual here. Addition, here's the camera. There are some additional cords, straps, batteries. Looks like there's some mounting materials here in the box. What I really want to focus on here is the camera. So it's got this nice camouflage look to it. You can see all the LEDs and the sensors. Here's your camera at the bottom. This unsnaps. It does have an option for a padlock if you're worried about people messing with your stuff. Once open, you see you've got your menu and your options. There is a switch here at the bottom to turn it on. So I need to put a memory card in here, but it does show that it option does work. Then in addition here, this actually clips open. I'm sorry, there's a clip at the top and you open this. This is where your batteries would go. So there's currently 4 AA batteries in here. There's an option for 8, which I assume would just increase your standby time. In addition, there is a micro SD card slot here at the bottom and a USB mini. Or is it micro? I believe it's USB micro. But the screen's very clear. I've had this outside a couple times. Very happy with the performance so far. I don't really have a lot else I can say about it.
Oh, wrong button.